C. Listen to part of a lecture and answer the questions.
The next chapter in our book discusses earthquakes. Well, I hope you've all read this chapter, because I will be asking questions from the chapter for participation points today. Okay, to begin. The authors talk about the plate tectonic theory as a pretty widely accepted explanation for earthquakes. Who can tell me what this theory states? Yes, go on.
I think the authors said that the plate tectonic theory was that the Earth's surface is made up of these large plates that are kind of disconnected. I think they move against each other.
Very good. All right, so yes, the Earth's surface is not one solid piece of land. It's made up of these plates that move against each other. The worst earthquakes tend to happen when one plate is kind of pushed under another. These quakes start really deep in the ground. Other quakes, less severe quakes, happen where the plates slide against each other. Okay, so how many major earthquake zones are there?
3.
And what are they?
One lies around the Pacific Ocean. I think another is called the Trans-Asiatic Belt. I'm pretty sure that one goes across the Mediterranean countries and then across Asia, and the third one is in the ocean, the mid-ocean ridges.
Excellent. Okay, so does anyone have questions about plate tectonic theory?
Well, what about earthquakes that don't happen in these zones? I mean, aren't there ever earthquakes that don't occur around a seismic zone?
Great question. Yes, I think that sometimes earthquakes do happen away from seismic zones. These ones are tough to figure out though, so quakes that don't occur along plate boundaries are called intra-plate earthquakes. I don't think that scientists have figured out the causes for those yet, but I think they do agree that there's a lot of ground stress where these quakes happen.
1. What is this lecture mostly about? 2. Why do the most severe earthquakes occur?